Hey there, fellow gift seeker. In this video, I'm sharing 5 back-to-school gift ideas for kids that you can personalize. If you spot something you like, just click the link I provided in the description below. Here we go. First up, a large first day of school photo prop by Honeydew Gifts. This 12 by 18 inch dry erase board is made of lightweight metal and it's reusable. So you can take photos to capture your child's first day of school every year. Let's check out some reviews from verified buyers. Just a heads up, all the ideas I'm presenting today have earned a 4-star or higher rating by verified buyers, and are gifts I'd give to my friends and family members' kiddos. Next up, a personalized lunchbox by Dipsy's Personalization Station. These adorable, fully insulated lunchboxes have a strap to hold a drink, an inner mesh pocket, and front zipper pouch. You can add your child's name or initials to the front. Check out these reviews. Up next, a personalized kids backpack by Crocodile Creek. These fun-themed backpacks are perfect for your young child. It has 2 zipper pockets for keeping books or supplies organized, an outer beverage pocket, and 2 padded straps for comfortable carrying. Here's what buyers love about these. If one or more of the gift ideas I'm sharing today resonate with you, hit the like button for this video to let others know I'm sharing some cool ideas. Next, we have personalized case and pencil sets by Miles Kimball. These themed cases are made of durable nylon, come with 12 designed to match pencils, and you can add your child's name to the front. Let's check out some reviews. Last but not least, The Class Keeper by Denise Albright. This memory-keeping gift box and binder includes sections for preschool to college that are removable if you skip a year. You can organize and store key memories like first and last day photos, fun facts and quotes, and special keepsakes. Here are what verified buyers love about this. Over to you. Will one of these make the perfect gift for your student? If so, which one? Or did one of these ideas inspire a different gift idea? If so, please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's help each other out. Thanks for hanging out with me today for this episode of Acme Gift Guide. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future gift idea videos. Cheers and happy gifting!